Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to get a macOS cursor on Windows 10 for free. So first you're going to want to open up Google Chrome and go to the link in the description below. Once you've gone to the link in the description below, you want to create an account and download this file here. You want to start the download and open it using WinRAR. Once you have opened it, you want to extract it to the desktop and open up the folder. Okay, now you have to search for the install.inf file, install.inf, right click and click on install here. After a few seconds, about 3 seconds, you have to close this, right click on your desktop and open up personalize. Once you open up personalize, you want to go to themes, mouse cursor, and you want to select this macOS scheme. You want to hit apply, click yes, and here you have gotten a macOS cursor for free on Windows 10. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more.